Hello, in this video I would like to show you how to upgrade this 15-inch screen from its original LED strip to our SB series LED kits. Our SB series LED kit comes with one wire adapter, one SB series LED strip, and one drivers. Okay, let's take a look at the screen set aside the LED kit, and the screen part number is made by AU Electronics. It's G150XG01-V3. It's original, equipped with LED. So let's take a look. Well, I want to do a comparison. So I have a controller kit here that's set up for this particular screen that have a 1024 by 768 resolutions. I have a screen wire harness, and because this particular screen has a built-in LED drivers. So we're gonna take a look. The original ones. Okay, I have a meter here. I'm gonna just show it to you. On the original one, based on status sheet, it stays typically about 400 nits. So let's take a look. Well, that's about right. This one's actually 400, more than 400, 446. Yeah, 445. 450. So pretty good. So it does match what they say on the data sheets. So we're gonna shut it off, and then we're gonna probably upgrade the LED. It's really easy to upgrade the LED for this particular kit. First thing, you need to disconnect this wire. This wire connects directly to the module, which is LED drivers. And also on this side, that's covered by the label. There's a small flathead screwdriver, maybe because of the light, so you can see. Now this is see better. So you can grab this wire, just pull it out. See, disconnect it. Okay, and then this end, you just need to remove this flathead screw. See, okay. So set that aside, and then basically you just using any tools. You're gonna see this one. You're gonna push the right side to take it out. See that? It's quite easy. Okay, the LED strips out. Okay, make sure it's clean. So this is our LED strip, so you don't have to peel it off. You can just stick it in. Perfect for this particular screens. As you can see, it's perfect. You know, it's just about right. So, and you push all the way in, and then you can add a piece of tape just to secure. Or you can remove this old wire, but that's okay. You know, I'm not gonna remove this wire. And next thing, you can connect to either end, right? And then this is the wire adapters that comes with it. So, okay, connect to here. This is the controller kit. See that? With the wire, they used to connect here. Now you can connect right here to the wire adapter. Okay, now we're gonna flip over. We're gonna take a quick look. Remember, it's about 450 with original built-in LED drivers. So now we are using our SB series. Okay, the meter here. All right. So let's take a look. Much brighter, you can see. Wow, 1566. 1562, so 1000, right? This one's, oops, 1564 nits. Well, it depends on screen condition. Based on our, based on our experience, it's anywhere between 13 to 1500 nits after you upgrade to a SB series. Okay, thank you for watching.